Okay, today is a new fixing repair engine video. This Thomas from the holiday set is a little noisy. Let me show you. It has a lot of hair. That's the way I found it in a box. But today I'm just going to fix the noisy gear on this motor. Let me show you. Wow, really noisy. I'm gonna put the shell so you can hear. It's going to be a little louder. So, okay, let's fix it. Okay, here's the thing. How I know it's this gear? Because it's loose. When the gear's loose or broke, this gear comes off real easy. See, I didn't do a lot of force. Okay, and that's how it's fixed. This is the way you can fix that noisy gear, the noisy engine. Now, to buy these gears, you gotta order from Japan, directly from Takara. You gotta go to their web page or find another store that sells toy gears. It's gonna take you a lot of time to get that delivered. So you can get it from eBay too, from eBay seller. Now, how are you going to order this? You gotta count the teeth on the gear. You gotta count how many teeth these gears have. Once you got the teeth, the number of teeth, write it down, and you gotta go for, let's say, eBay. On eBay you gotta type plastic gear for toys, and then you gotta find the sellers that has the gear. I mean, there are a lot of sellers, so you gotta do a lot of research. Last time I ordered it was about 5 months ago. I used to make my own gears, but the thing is, I sold the little machine. So anyways, see that difference right there? Those are not the same, so I cannot tell you exactly a link where you can buy them, but you gotta count the tooths right here on the gear. See, this one right here is bigger, so you gotta contact the seller and ask him what gear fits your needs. So this one is a little bigger. This is a medium size, I mean, for the ones I have right here. So you gotta do a lot of research. It's not going to be easy. So I don't remember exactly how I ordered, but I count the tooths. I count the tooths on the gear, and then I type on the eBay. I type plastic gear toy, and you gotta put the number of tooths on the gear. That's the only way you are going to find it on eBay, or you can contact Takara from Japan. Okay, I hope you guys find this video useful. But I gotta warn you, it's gonna take you from 1 to 3 months to get it delivery. Alright, thanks for watching. Over and out. Bye, Tomas.